Okay. Now come to your screen, the same one.
Okay. You can share now.
No, no, you show the screen. Are you not able to show?
I,
Okay.
I
Okay.
stopped sharing my screen now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I am sharing. So I want to tell some more command. Uh, yeah. This thing you might be aware, but just wanted to explain more. Like how you will create a directory. Suppose you want to create a directory in the particular path. So you can do it by two way. Either you come to that particular path and write make directory and this. Otherwise you can write like this also, make directory temp tutorial. It means that there is one folder temp, inside that you are creating another folder tutorial, and when you want to go inside it, you can write it change directory temp tutorial. Understand?
Yes.
It means that you are creating. Okay, let me show you in this. It is having an output. So yeah, see, if you want to go to the download, write cd download, then you will come to the download. Inside download, if you want to again change directory, sorry, then you can write again cd, this is the file name, and you will come inside this path. So this is the way of changing the directory and going inside. I will send this link with you. You can go through it once. Make directory. Okay. Mkdir and remove directory, it means that mkdir is for making directory, means creating a directory, and rmdir is for removing a directory. Okay. So like on a current path, just type the ls in the sense the list of file or directory that is currently available in the desktop. After that, you want to create any directory, so just write mkdir diy. Again, then you want to check whether it is created or not. What step you will follow? You will simply click on ls. So once you click on ls, you will find that okay, it's now available. If you want to remove it, what you will do? You will simply remove it rmdir diy. So rmdir, it means it is used for removing the directory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So from the name only it is clear, it is very easy.
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
Once you get an habit, you will feel easy only, like creating a directory with mkdir. Then you can check it ls to confirm whether it is created or not. Then if you are not happy with that directory name, or like, you can remove it. Why we use rmrf, like last time I've shown you, and you asked me a question also on that, like why we write rm minus rf. So rm is for removing a file, rf is for removing a file, and rm is for directory and a folder. But when you write together, it will forcefully delete it. For example, suppose Neetu is my folder, and it is having some file. What are the files? Like suppose a.txt, b.txt, c.txt. So it is having some file. So when you delete it, it will prompt you that this folder is having some file. Let me show you. Now I will show you my virtual box. It's working fine. We need to check on your system what is an error. Just give a minute, it's taking time to upload, to load. Don't you have a window laptop?
No.
Okay, no, not an issue. We will check it. What is the issue in your? It might be a permission issue. I think so.
We'll check.
So you are on a home Ubuntu path. Okay, Ubuntu is the username and home. Right, home is
Mm.
a folder. So suppose in case like you want to remove a file. Okay, let's go to the folder. Check it. Is there any file inside the Neetu? Okay, let's create a folder. Oh, sorry.
You just
Yeah.
gave the directory.
I have created that. Okay, not an issue. Let's create inside this. Sorry. Hmm. Okay, now let's check it. There are two folder. Now I want to remove file. I will write Q tab. I will remove it. Let's see ls. So it's checking now. Now you want to delete a folder itself. So rm minus you need to go down, cd. Okay. Now you want to delete it. So you
Need
can delete
to.
rmdir.
Need to.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise you can try with this. Whether it's working or not. Let me show you once. Okay. Now let's see. Is there any Nitu? No, it's
No.
not there. So
Nothing.
both are working. You can remove RMRF also. So it will forcefully delete the file. It will work for directory and file also. In case you want to delete but one folder, let me create another folder. Nothing is there. Okay. So touch with this touch command, you can
Yeah.
press any file name. For example, let ubuntu.txt. Let's see for another file, linex.txt. Okay, now do you want to remove or delete a directory? Then you can write it rmdir a tab, so it will suggest you whatever the name. So it's now giving you alert, right? Why it is giving you alert? Because this folder is having file. So I was saying you why it's okay, let's see this. See this. Now this command work well for this folder, right? So do you know the do you got the understanding what is the
Yes.
difference between these two? RMDIR won't work in case this folder is having file, and RMRF works in any case. This command forcefully delete folder and file. They don't care. So always try to use this RMDIR, because sometime by mistake if you delete it, then it's very difficult to recover the data.
Okay.
So try to
Understood.
use RMDIR. And another thing, try to use RM for the file.
Mm.
Let's rm and dot txt. See, there is no this file is available now. So use rm. And this is the difference. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot of this command
Mm. Okay.
for practicing. I have already shared with you, but suppose in case you want to take a screenshot, you can take it.
Yeah, yeah, I took.
So in this way, you need to practice it, like deleting and all, because when you work on the company level, they will give you instruction in very quickly and fast way. Like, okay, create a folder, delete a file, remove the file, copy the file. Even when I started learning or when I started working on Linux, I was also feeling difficulty, and even also sometimes feels when many people they give you instruction at once, like creating a folder, deleting a file. And sometime when anyone give you instruction at that time, by mistake you run this command and delete an important folder. So always habitual of using rmdir and rm. RMRF use in a case when you are sure that it doesn't having any important data on that folder. So you can take a screenshot.
Okay. And one thing, we can recover the data.
Yeah,
Like,
we can recover it.
what was the command for that?
That is a long process. We need to write a shell file for that. That is in our syllabus only. I will cover.
You
um,
teach shell scripting also?
Somewhat is there in shell script, so I will
Okay.
add it.
Yeah, yeah.
And when putty,
Yeah, I know.
so in server putty is also
Like,
there. That are same thing. Either you work on a command terminal,
yeah,
and
terminal
putty,
or
both are same thing.
like we can also, it's a open source thing.
Yeah, putty you can download it and it's an open source.
Okay. Yeah,
So today, okay, I have to do some work. So
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah.
can do one thing. I'm stop sharing now. You just practice on the webminal, lesson by lesson. Then in the next class, I will